Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello and welcome back to our channel where we bring you all the tips and tricks for a hassle-free and hygienic kitchen. In today's video, we're going to talk about a small but extremely important item in your kitchen, the hand towel. Segment 1. Why hand towels are important in the kitchen. Hand towels are often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in maintaining hygiene and cleanliness in your kitchen. They are used for wiping hands, drying utensils, and cleaning spills and messes. When you're cooking, it's important to keep your hands and kitchen counters clean to prevent the spread of germs and bacteria. Hand towels are a convenient and easily accessible solution to this problem. Segment 2. Different types of hand towels. There are many different types of hand towels available, each with its own specific features. For example, some hand towels are made of cotton and are highly absorbent, making them perfect for wiping hands and cleaning spills. Others are made of microfiber, which is a quick-drying material that's ideal for wiping down surfaces. Some hand towels come with a loop or a hook, making them easy to hang in your kitchen for quick access. Segment 3. How to choose the right hand towel for your kitchen. When choosing hand towels for your kitchen, it's important to consider factors such as the size, material, and pattern. If you have a small kitchen, choose hand towels that are compact and easy to store. If you have a larger kitchen, consider hand towels that are bigger in size to accommodate your needs. Also, consider the material of the hand towel. Cotton hand towels are more durable and absorbent, while microfiber hand towels are quick drying and perfect for wiping down surfaces. Segment 4. How to clean and maintain hand towels. Hand towels can quickly become breeding grounds for germs and bacteria, especially if they're not cleaned properly. To keep your hand towels hygienic, it's important to wash them regularly. Wash your hand towels in hot water with a detergent that contains bleach to kill any germs and bacteria. Also, avoid using fabric softeners, as they can reduce the absorbency of the towels. In conclusion, hand towels are an essential item in every kitchen and play a crucial role in maintaining hygiene and cleanliness. Choose the right hand towel for your kitchen, and make sure to clean and maintain them regularly to ensure its longevity and effectiveness. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.